Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you are getting the error message that says request is not allowed, please try again later while using ChatGPT. Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple and effective ways to fix this issue on your device. So stick around till the end. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is check if you are using any VPN or fake location apps on your device. ChatGPT sometimes blocks access if it detects suspicious locations or network behavior. So if you are running a VPN or any location spoofing app, go ahead and turn it off. Once disabled, try opening ChatGPT again using your regular internet connection. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. Step 2. Clear app data and reinstall ChatGPT. If the first method didn't work, let's try this next one. Go to your Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap on More Connections. Here, make sure your phone is not connected to a VPN. Once you have confirmed that, go back to the previous menu, swipe down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your phone. Then tap on App List under the All Apps. In the search bar, type ChatGPT. Tap on it. Then go to Storage and Cache. Here, tap on Clear Cache and then Clear All Storage. After that, uninstall the ChatGPT app completely. Now let's do the same for Google Play Store. Go back to the apps list, search for Google Play Store and open it. Tap on Storage and Cache. Then clear both cache and storage data. Once that's done, restart your phone just to be safe. Now go back to the Play Store and reinstall the ChatGPT app. Now open the app and check. In most cases, the error should now be gone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully one of these methods worked for you and the request is not allowed issue is now fixed. If this video helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.